Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mode Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. 757, protect your investment. Just because someone says it is a good product, don't take their word for it. Have it professionally analyzed. I look at vehicles all the time. You're going to be spending 10 to 15,000 and above on a high quality vehicle in 2026. I went today to look at a Toyota Highlander. They were going to spend over $10,000 for this Toyota Highlander, and it was used. It was, I believe, a 2013. It looked good, and with that being said,
Trouble understanding you.
okay, everybody's racing on the interstate. This is the reason why I am a very successful mechanic. I love seeing these fast cars like Corvettes and Dodge Chargers flying past me because it's called jackrabbiting. I will be fixing your car. You're having fun now, but it's just a matter of time. And that's another case in point. You're buying these fast cars, Corvettes, Mustangs, these Dodge Chargers, these Dodge Challengers. I'm glad this happened. And the car looks really good to you, and you're dropping thousands of dollars. I'm going to get back to the Highlander in a minute. You don't know what these people have done with this vehicle. Are they racing it? Are they taking care of it? Are they letting it sit? What are they doing with the car and before they pass it on to you? So going back to the Highlander, I put it on my sophisticated diagnosing machine. One of the things I found out, the compressor was gone with the wind. There's a sensor on top of it, so you must replace the whole entire compressor. If you're going to do the job right, you're going to do the the receiver and dryer, or if it has an expansion tube. One way or another, you're going to replace that, because in air conditioning, the Achilles heel, including your house, is moisture, and those things extract moisture out of the AC system. You can just put a air compressor in the car and Freon. Good for you. Next year, you'll be calling me crying because you done lost your compressor and now it's costing you more money. With that being said, that is a big, huge hit right there. No air conditioning on a Toyota, you're going to pay some good money. Then on top of that, it needed 4 brakes. And then on top of that, the battery was no good. It says January 26 on the battery, but I looked inside the cells and there was barely any water acid in it. And you could recharge it for the rest of your life. Let it have a cold snap or a cool morning. Let me know if that works out for you. So that's $250 right there. They're going to have to replace that battery. Now here's the kicker. I don't really sit around and articulate with the seller at all. Salesmen, I don't do that. I let them do all the talking. Most people who are nervous, they just talk, and eventually are telling themselves. So something came up, and someone else in his own family said, oh, something's going on with the battery again. The car wouldn't start, even with a jump. It finally started like 10 minutes of just letting it charge with another vehicle. With that being said, I told the customers, buy with caution, get an extended warranty, and you need to take this stuff off of the price he's asking for. If he doesn't, walk. That's just the bottom line. Another thing you can do with a person who does not like to, these are bonuses, that likes to negotiate, and it's a hard liner, have the cash in an envelope right in front of them. Make sure you bring somebody else. You want to come by yourself with some cash, but let them see the cash. It usually changes their mind. And if they don't, shrug your shoulders and walk away. If they really want to sell the car, then they'll sell you the car. If not,
Keep left.
If not, you'll see why the car's been sitting there for quite some time. So if you're in the 757 area and you're watching this on TikTok, go to my bio page, click on the link, and schedule yourself a pre-purchase used car inspection. If you're not in the 757 area, go back to my bio link and click on the documents and buy the 2 pre-purchase used car inspection documents. It doesn't substitute it, but it gives you a lot of information on how to look at, and about 5 minutes, one of the documents will tell majority of what you need to know about that car. 5 minutes. It doesn't substitute for a pre-purchase inspection fully, from my knowledge, but it really will help you out. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, hit that follow button, and remember, you are awesome.